Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm making bowls with air dry clay. I'm using stamps for a few of them, and for the rest I'm using paint and just markers. I chose a few patterns. I also chose two different colors. One is glittery pink and one is a little darker minty green. I have a few bows here that help me create the size and shape for my bowls. I have a little piece here that I massage first before starting rolling. I'm just using a glass bottle for this. I have a baking sheet under so it doesn't stick to my table. I start with the green one. I make sure the color is on evenly. I also use a Q-tip to clean all the edges. I take my little soy bowl and press on the clay. I use scissors to cut it. Please make sure you won't scratch your table. The edges are not even at first, so you can use scissors to cut the excess off. You can also use water to make the edges a little softer and smoother. Now you're gonna need the same bowl you cut the shape with. Place the clay on the bowl carefully. Start with the edges and try to push it in a little bit so it creates the bowl shape. The ink is not dry, so you don't want to mess the color. I made another one which is just plain. I will use paint and markers for this one. Repeat the process. Cut the excess clay out with scissors and smooth the edges with some water. For this third one, I'm gonna use a different kind of stamp with pink ink. I let the bowls dry for 48 hours. After the first day, I'm gonna flip the clay bowls so they can dry from the other side. For one of these bowls, I'm gonna use this black Stabilo marker and I'm gonna create some shapes with that. Even though I used water to make the edges a little smoother, I still needed to use sandpaper. This way it looks way nicer. I'm gonna paint one bowl with black acrylic paint. I let it dry and then make some nice little drawings and doodling with a white marker. I wanted to film the whole process of drawing, but I pretty soon noticed that after drawing a while with these Stabilo markers, they dry out quite fast. That has nothing to do with the actual markers. It's because I chose not to paint the bowl first, but draw straight to the clay. And the clay is leaving a little dust, so that's why they dry out first, and then you have to wait until you can draw again. I wanted to try marble coloring for one of these bowls. I chose 3 different nail polishes: blue, purple, and beige. I put a few drops to the water and then just wait a little bit until it spreads, and then I'm gonna choose another nail polish and do the same. I dip the bowl into the water and then create some shapes. I'm gonna repeat this a few times. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe and give a like if you want to see more. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.